I have not seen myself like this in years.
Last time you
And
had
this
hair?
is yo, I was like 25, like almost like 10 years ago. This is like almost 10 years ago. Like this, bro, this is insane. Like legit, I feel like I'm on a Hollywood set right now. And it's like, this is like surreal. Like it's unreal. This is like beyond all my expectations. And crazy because it's like, for you guys out there that's wondering about the process, I was just like you. I was on the other side of the screen wondering. But I called and I booked my consultation and here I am. And I'm showing you guys the fucking results and it's amazing. Like I swear to God, don't, if you're curious, come and check it out. If you definitely know you'd like to try it, but you're just scared of what your homies might think, yo, those guys. Anyone that has anything negative to say about your life, period, bro. Like, you only have one life to live. And in this life, are you going to be happy or are you going to be sad? Are you going to be envious? Are you going to be curious? These are all things that are choices, and you get to choose. So don't choose and be on the sidelines and be like, oh, well, I don't know. Balding is a choice, bro. Like, there's options, man. So, like I said, and don't feel like you're being inauthentic or not being your genuine you. You're just enhancing you. You know what I mean? So, like, why not? If you, like, the same way you go to the gym to enhance your natural body, why wouldn't you do anything to enhance your natural hair? It's like, look, there's options now, man. And plus, this is such a fun process. It's like, I had no idea what it was going to be. And I'm like, whoa, this is fun, bro. Like, I definitely recommend everyone fucking don't be shy. Like, it's fucking ridiculous, man. And that's the thing that's going to stop you from looking crazy and fresh like me, is you're going to be scared of what someone got to say. Like, that's really what's going to stop you. That's insane. Oh my God, what are my friends going to say? What is so-and-so going to say? What are you going to say? Whose opinion is more important? Yours or theirs?
Damps.